Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really quick. I just wanted to show you a quick little hack that I thought of myself. I don't know if anybody's done this before, but if you have, there's no harm in recreating it. But as I was trying to fit this wig on my head, I realized I could do something that'll make this wig fit. So I purchased this wig from Nadula Hair. It's just a regular plain headband wig, black headband. It's about 18 inches and it's very plain, and I just bought it, and it was too big for my head. So it wasn't the actual wig that was too big, it was the headband that was too big for my head. I have a small head, but I have a big forehead. I don't know how that works, but if you can see here, it's very wrinkled. And I really only had it for 2 days. It's very wrinkled because I had to tie it behind my head and tuck it under the wig so that it would fit my head, because I had to go out and in a hurry, and I didn't have time to do any of that. So what I decided to do was, or what you can do, is I measured out where the headband would fit if it was if it came and it fit my head on the first try. So if I were to put this wig on my head and it would fit the first time, I would need the Velcro, this part, I would need that here. So what I did was I already measured around my head, and I left my hand at the mark where I need the Velcro to be. And so what I did was I took one of my makeup pencils, eyebrow pencil or something like that, and I made a mark so that I would know where my Velcro needs to be. So what I'm gonna do is, hold it up a little bit so you can see, is I'm gonna take this part of the headband, which is the left side of the headband. You have this part with the Velcro, and you know, when you put it together, it sticks, because that's what Velcro does. So what I'm gonna do is just sew this backwards so that it fits on the space where I need it to be. And I'm going to do that. You can either, I'm just gonna line it right up to where I put that mark. Actually, the Velcro should be a little bit higher. So yeah, the Velcro should be right there. You can either sew it together, you know, like that, or you can just sew the Velcro part on, but then you're gonna have this little hole in the middle. So you might as well just sew it up as best you can, which is what I'm gonna do right now. And you want to just keep going around, you know, just like you're sewing anything else. And make sure that's nice and snug. Move any of the hair so that it doesn't. What I didn't check before was to make sure that this could go through the Velcro. Ooh. But it does, so we're good there. So as you can see, I'm just sewing it right on to the space where it lines up, where it meets my makeup line. And I'm just gonna, and don't worry if it's not like a really neat job, because nobody should be that close to you. It's gonna be in the back of your head, so nobody should really see that anyway. Okay, so this is not the neatest job, but again, nobody's gonna be anywhere near me to be able to see this. So what I'm gonna do off camera is go back and fix this up, this little loop right here, and sew up this side so that this is, you know, equal and stays on both sides. But you get the drift. You want to just make sure your Velcro is right at the line, the mark that you made, so that when you put your wig on next time, that's backwards, you're gonna just take it and it's gonna line right up with your head. This is how small my head is actually, or big, how big my head is, how big or small my head is, and it's just gonna fit nice and snug now. Like, I already know how it's gonna feel. And again, you can sew this up whatever way you want, whatever. You can even, you know, do that and double it up, but I didn't want it to be too bulky, and I just might go, like I said, behind the camera, off camera and fix it. But you get the drift. This is what pretty much it's gonna look like. Just you're gonna be able to, you know, take the wig off and on and off as many times as you need to, because now your wig is fitting. So I hope that is going to help somebody out there, because I really wanted to wear this wig. It's a really nice wig, and I want to be comfortable, and I don't want to have to tie this ever again, because you see all the wrinkles. I don't want to tie it again, and I want it to be fit and look nice on my head. So really quick video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it helped you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.